according to the National Association of Realtors, 37% of contracts fall through because of repair issues sellers could have addressed before listing. If you're thinking of selling, don't let that happen to you. Meet with an agent who knows your neighborhood. Allowing them to do a quick walkthrough could save you tons of money. And if recommended, schedule a pre-sale inspection. Then you'll know precisely what needs to be addressed from a functional standpoint. Invest in repairing major systems like HVAC, plumbing, roofing, electrical issues. Here's where your agent's advice, though, is gold. Sellers do not get dollar for dollar back on the money they invest on improvements. So there's a difference between making sure major systems are working and updating a property that the buyer may just come in and tear out because it's not to their taste. Plus, we're in a low inventory market right now where buyers are already writing multiple offers on properties that need cosmetic improvements. The good news is getting your home sale ready doesn't have to be complicated. DM me for more questions. Let's go.